Cotton. Breathable, open weave cotton muslin wearable blanket replaces loose blankets for safer sleep. Handy two-way zipper for easy wearing and diaper changes, machine washable. TOG rating of 0.3, best for temperatures of 76 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the recommended sleep environment range. Sizes. Small, 0 to 6 months, fits up to 28 inches, medium, 6 to 12 months, fits up to 32 inches, large, 12 to 18 months, fits up to 35 inches. Coordinates with a variety of our quality baby essentials. Top reviews from the United States. True to size, fit, and comfort. It is so cute and soft. Has a great fit. Easy to put on. The zipper never hits the side of the crib while she rolls or kicks around, and so I don't have to listen to the clanking of the zipper on the wooden crib slats as she moves around in her crib like the Halo sleep sacks. I thought it was so huge when I opened the package, but it fits our daughter perfectly. She was 6 months when we bought it and 8 months now. It is lightweight for summer. She doesn't ever seem too hot or sweaty when I check on her or pick her up after sleeping.